Say goodbye to gas with the RYOBI 40V HP Brushless 850 CFM Whisper Series Backpack Blower. 40V HP technology delivers more power than a 58cc gas backpack blower. 40% lighter weight than the previous model, with superior comfort, ready to tackle the biggest of tasks. The LCD screen displays battery life at your fingertips and allows you to easily switch between two modes to maximize power or maximize runtime. Power through heavy leaves and debris with 850 CFM and 180 miles per hour. Or switch modes to unlock over 2 hours of runtime. Utilize the variable speed trigger for ultimate control and delicate applications, with cruise control to lock in your desired speed. As part of the Whisper series, experience all the power without the noise. Gas performance, cordless convenience. Part of the 40V system, only at the Home Depot.